Hello students, myself Manish. Today I am going to teach you maths. In this video lecture, I am going to teach you about circle and its basics, like parts of circle. Before starting the video, I want to introduce myself. As I said, my name is Manish and I am teaching maths from last 6 years. Currently, I am working with an academy as a doubt solver specialist. I completed my graduation in 2019. My subject was maths, physics, chemistry. During my 12th, I qualified various entrance examinations like ICAR, IDJE, and CUSETs. Now, moving to the video, we have first what is circle. A circle is a collection of all the points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. As you can see in this picture, these all points are fixed distance. These all points are situated at a fixed distance from this fixed point. This fixed point is known as center of circle. Center of circle, and this fixed distance is known as radius. Radius of circle. Generally, radius is represented by small r. And one term is here circumference. What is circumference of circle? Basically, circumference is just like perimeter of circle, or also we can say the boundary of this circle. Boundary of this circle is known as circumference of circle. Chord. Basically, chord is known as when we join any 2 point on circle, then this line segment will be chord. Now here is a question: how many chords we can draw on a circle? We can answer is we can draw countless number of chords, because we can choose countless number of pair of points on circle. As you can see here, we can draw like this, and so many on. Okay, and in this all segment line, you can see the longest chord is that which is passing through center of circle, and this is also known as diameter. Means diameter is a chord passing through the center of circle, and it is the longest chord. It is called longest chord. Means if anyone ask which is the longest chord, then diameter will be the longest chord. Okay, and diameter is 2 times the radius. 2 times the radius. Tangent and secant. Basically, if you have to draw a line and a circle in a plane, then we have three ways to draw a line and a circle in plane. First one is like this. We can draw like this. Another one is we can draw a line in such that the line will intersect at one point, or we can say it will touch at only one point on circle. Third one is we can draw a line that it will intersect at two different point. For this scenario, when a line passes through single point on a circle, or it will only touch a circle, then this is known as tangent to the circle. And we can say a tangent to a circle is a line that touches the circle exactly at one point. And we can see here, for every point on a circle there is a unique tangent. Means we can draw a unique tangent through any point on circle. And second, a secant to a circle is a line that has 2 points in common with a circle. We can say secant has 2 points in common. It cuts the circle at 2 points, forming a chord of the circle. As you can see, this line is cutting at two different points on circle. Then we can say this segment is a chord to this circle. This is chord to the circle. Means a secant is also a chord to the circle. What is arc? Basically, arc is a part of circumference. As you can see, the part of this circumference is known as arc. And what is segment? A segment of a circle can be defined as a region bounded by chord and corresponding arc laying between the chord's endpoint. We can say the endpoint of this chord is this, and chord and arc this. Means the area between arc and arc and chord is known as segment. Segment are of two types. One is minor segment and another is major segment. As you can see, this is also a segment. This is also segment means, and this is biggest one. That's why this is known as major segment, and this is a smaller one. That's why this is known as minor segment. Minor segment. Sector. A circular sector is the portion of disk enclosed by two radius and arc. As you can see, the arc and this two radius forms this smaller region, and this smaller region is known as sector. Okay, you can, as you can see, this circle is divided into two parts. One is smaller and another is bigger. A smaller portion is known as minor sector, and bigger portion is known as major sector of the circle. Now, I am going to summarize all the points, whatever we discussed in this video. Radius. Basically, radius is a distance between center and circumference is called radius. Chord. Chord is basically any 2 point. When we join any 2 point on circle, then this line segment will be chord. Diameter. Diameter is basically the chord which passing through center is known as diameter, and diameter is longest chord. Circumference. Some circumference is basically the boundary of circle, or we can say perimeter of circle is known as circumference. Tangent. Any line which will intersect at one point or which will touch at one point are known as tangent. And arc. Part of circumference is known as arc. Segment is basically a area enclosed between arc and tangent, which is passing through the end point of arc is known as segment. Sector is basically the area enclosed between arc and radius passing and two radius passing through the end point of arc is known as sector. Hope I will be able to clear all the concepts related to part of circle, and thank you. Have a nice day.